Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ujjwal Marjit. If you are tired of spending hours drafting academic content, formatting sections, or figuring out what to write next, so this tool is a game changer. And let me introduce you to a new tool that is called the AcademicGPT, an AI-powered assistant built specifically for academic writing. So the Academic GPT is a AI-driven tool for accelerating academic writing. So in order to access these tools, first of all you need to do is you just open the Academic GPT interface. You just type in the academicgpt.net URL here, you see, and hit the button. So you will be taken to this page. This is the landing page of AcademicGPT. Okay, so there are three modes you see in AcademicGPT. That is the write mode here, feedback mode, and explain mode. So once you upload your paper, the write mode gets to work instantly. Here is what it can generate for you all in seconds. Means it will generate a abstract. It will give you a concise summary, a thoughtful future work section, and not only that, you can also access ready to use LaTeX template and properly worded ethical consideration sections. You see, you just click here, abstract, conclusion, summary, future work section, ethical consideration section, presentation outline, LaTeX template. And all of this is done intelligently based on the content of your paper. So first of all, I am going to select here, drop your research paper here and click. So I am going to select the one of my papers here, and you see the selected file. The name of the file is marjit2020.pdf, and now you can get the abstract from here under write mode. So there are three modes. If I select the feedback mode, it will change here. If you select the explain mode, you see these features only. So for the first time, I am going to select the radio button, that is called the write here, and select what type of section the AI should write. So here I am going to select the abstract part, okay, and now select the submit button. So it will take time to generate the abstract of this paper. You see, this is the paper, and I have already proposed a decentralized and distributed framework for open educational resources using Ethereum blockchain and interplanetary file system here. So this is the abstract of the paper that I already have uploaded, and you see, explain how the text could be better. Then you can start asking questions whatever you have regarding this paper. You just upload your paper and you can start asking questions about the domain or field of interest, whatever you have, and it will give you the answer properly, because as you already uploaded your paper, and it will create a knowledge base, and against that knowledge base it will give you the answer. So I am going to click here, what is IPFS, okay, interplanetary file system. Then you click here, you just see the assistant will generate the IPFS regarding the IPFS. So I have selected for the first three things abstract. Now I want to get the presentation outline in order to prepare the presentation. Okay, now you just submit here. Okay, and it will give you the presentation here, the presentation outline here, introduction 1, problem statement 2. So you will get the informations of 8 slides here. You can generate 8 slides from here regarding that paper. Okay, So that is the write mode. And now if you want to get the summary, then click on summary and then submit. It will give you the summary part. Okay, you see, this is the summary part. Okay, so under write mode there are various features like abstract, conclusion, summary, future work section, ethical consideration sections, and you can get such type of informations if you use another tool that is called the Scholarship, one of the most important AI tools. But that is not all. Switch to other modes like feedback, and the tool will analyze your paper, provide suggestions to improve clarity, tone and structure. So here you see the under feedback mode, the argument strength. Okay, I want to know the citation part. Okay, so under feedback mode, if you select the citation part, then you just click on submit. Once you click the submit button, it will give you the results. And it is very fast. Okay, you see, this is the citation part. So now explain part. So try the explain mode, which helps break down complex sections, making your work more understandable for diverse audiences or reviewers, whether you are preparing a manuscript for submission, revising a thesis, or building a presentation. So Academic GPT saves time and boosts your academic productivity. So if you want to do a simple or short the paper, then you just submit under explain mode. Okay, so it will also generate the simple and short part, if you see. Okay, now just going to select the complex and short part. Now submit. Okay, so it's a nice tool for academic purpose. You can use, as I already mentioned, the Academic GPT. It's a AI powered assistant built specifically for academic writing, and there are 3 modes: write, feedback and explain, and which helps break down complex section, as I already mentioned. So try it out and experience how academic writing can be smarter, faster and easier. So you will get the credit. You can use the credit up to 100. So you just upload only one paper, then you can get the LaTeX format, future work, summary, using the free credits. Okay, and free plan, this is the free plan I have already used here for demonstration purpose. And if you want to get more, then you can subscribe. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe if this tool helped you in your research journey. Thank you for watching.